Now let's look at the ring antenna stud. This design allows the coax to connect from the side at a 90-degree angle and attach at either the top or bottom of the antenna mount, making it ideal for installations where there isn't room for a vertically connected coax cable. Instead of plugging in a connector, the cable itself becomes part of the mounting system. Inside the ring, one side carries the positive signal and the other side carries the ground. Just like before, these must remain isolated. You'll notice that both the ring cable and the mounting hardware use nylon components. These ensure the signal path stays separated from the mount at all times. The bolt running through the assembly contacts the metal on the outside of the ring cable and carries the positive signal. The metal on the opposite side of the cable, the same side as the nylon lip, provides the ground path. One critical detail here is the orientation of the cable. The side of the ring coax cable that has the lip seats into the mounting hole to keep the cable oriented correctly, properly centered, and isolated. Because this cable can be installed on the top or bottom of the mount, it's critical that the nylon washer is installed on the opposite side of the ring cable and in the order of the nylon washer, flat washer, then the locking washer. The advantage of this design is a cleaner, low-profile installation with fewer exposed connections.